Alpha-beta pruning is an optimization of min-max algorithm. Min-max search can be applied in gameplay to find the best next move. When a player has many turns at a current position, he has to select the best turn. Min-max algorithm gets really slow for complex games such as chess. Why? The huge branching factor, that means a player has lot of choices to decide, makes this algorithm difficult to perform. And of course in game trees, not all nodes are necessary. In that case, alpha-beta pruning can be applied to find unwanted nodes while making decisions. Alpha-beta pruning is an optimization technique for min-max algorithm. Alpha-beta pruning maintains two bounds. One is alpha, another one is beta. Alpha bound of a max node j is the best value for that max node at the current position. Maximum current value of all max ancestors of j. While exploring a min node, if its value becomes equal or less than alpha, there is no need to explore this min node. Beta bound of j. Beta bound of a min node j is the minimum value possible for that min node at that moment. Minimum current value of all min ancestors of j. While exploring a max node, if its value becomes equal or greater than beta, there is no need to explore such max node. Alpha-beta pruning can be performed when the condition alpha greater than or equal to beta is satisfied. In the next examples, you get more idea about alpha and beta values. Now, let's understand what does this pruning mean. And also, we have to understand what is alpha and beta and how we can select alpha and beta values. Consider this example. Here the max root player is a max player. A is the root player which is a max player. A has two turns. It can either go through B or select turn C. In order to make decision, A has to traverse depth first. Now, the value 8 is given back to B. B is a min player. So, B expects a value less than or equal to 8. What is the minimum value of ancestors of B? That is 8. That means here beta is equal to 8. Continue this traversing and the value 9 is given back. Since B is a min player, B select minimum of its 8 and 9. So, beta is 8. The value 8 is given back to A. A is a max player. So, A expects a value greater than or equal to 8. So, what is the best value of this max node till now? 8. That is alpha is equal to 8. Continue this traversing. 6 is given back to C. Since C is a min player, it expects a value less than or equal to 6. What is the minimum value C at this point? 6. That is beta is equal to 6. Now see here, A expects either 8 or greater than 8. But C can give a value maximum 6 or less than 6. A already got a better path which cost 8. A select next turn if its cost is greater than 8. A never takes a path which is less than 8. So, there is no need of exploring this node. So, we can prune this part of this game tree. It is shown here. Here, the alpha greater than or equal to beta condition is satisfied. Alpha is 8 and here beta is 6. So, we can perform cutoff of alpha beta pruning. example, the max player, the root player is A. It has two choices, one by going through B and one by going through this path. Not to make decision, it has to travel till leaf node or n number of look aheads are reached. Value 8 is given back to C. Since C is a max player, it expects a value greater than or equal to 8. So what is the best value of max node now? 8. That is alpha is equal to 8. So it has to traverse this way and 9 is given back to C. Now this max player select 9. Max player always select the best value of its children. So alpha is changed as 9. That value 9 is given back to B. Since B is a min player, it expects a value less than or equal to 9. So up to here, the best value for this min player is 9. Now to make decision, it has to traverse this path and from here the value 12 is returned back to D. Since D is a max player, D expects a value greater than or equal to 12. That is alpha is equal to 12. See here, this node B expect a value less than or equal to 9. But going through this path D can produce a value greater than or equal to 12. So B never takes a value greater than 9 at this moment. So we can prove this node 7. Here alpha greater than or equal to beta condition is satisfied. That is 12 greater than or equal to 9. That is shown here. In this game tree, we have to apply alpha beta pruning to find the nodes which can be pruned while making decision at this root player A. A is the root player, which is a max player. A has two turns, either going through B or selecting the turn C. In order to make decision, A has to traverse depth first until it reaches the leaf node. In some situations, when the game tree is large, going till leaf node is difficult. In that case, we can go up to a look ahead or ply. In n-ply games, we can traverse up to a depth n to make decision. Now, the value 7 is returned to this B. In min-max games, alternative players are min, max like that. So here the player is min. This B is a min player and expect a value less than or equal to 7. Now continue this traversing. 9 is given back to B and the current best value for this min player is 7. So beta is 7 itself. Continue traversing. The value 8 is given back. At this point B, the best value of this min player is 7. So beta is 7. That value is given, 7 is given back to A. Since A is a max player, A expects a value greater than or equal to 7. So the best value at this moment for this max player is 7. To make decision, it has to check how good this C turn is. In order to decide that, we have to traverse depth first and from here the value 4 is given back. Since C is a min player, C expects a value less than or equal to 4. Now see here, A expects a value 7 or greater than 7. A already got a path with cost 7. So Now A never takes a path which is worse than 7. Going through C gives a value of maximum 4. That means C can give a value less than or equal to 4. So, there is no chance of A selecting the turn C. Now, there is no need to traverse this board positions H and I, because we already know from this point that A never takes this turn C. So, we can prove H and I. Here the alpha greater than or equal to beta condition is satisfied. Here the beta value is 4. So we can prove the nodes H and I. In this game tree, we can prove the nodes H and I.